Today we will be building a worm farm, and I'll just fill this around quick. Hold on. So yeah, guys, just got a clear tub because I want to be able to see the worms as they grow, or if they grow, if they die. But yeah, I just had to move to the shed because people are going out there. But yeah, basically what I'm gonna do is I'm going to fill this up with soil after I wash it out because there's stuff in it and I don't know what it is. I don't want to kill all the worms and then just like not have a worm farm. We'll clean off the top. I'm gonna probably put a few holes on top so I can get oxygen. May put a few holes down here in the side. Yeah, that's basically all we're gonna do. We want to go rinse this out real quick. Then I'll get back to y'all then. So yeah, that's done. Got it cleaned out now. Now I'm going to go get some soil. Yeah, I got a shovel. I'm getting some of this dirt out here. It's pretty rich. It's been sitting here for a while since we moved in. Before then, so yeah, I'm probably just gonna get a time lapse going. And I will get back to y'all when I get enough dirt for the thing. So yeah, this soil doesn't look really rich. I'm like digging into it. So I think I'm going to try going to a different box. Yeah, shovel now. Let's see. What is that? Just try that. Okay, so yeah, this soil is basically just a bunch of leaves that have like aged and started to decompose, but I don't believe. Try that real quick. That's just a bunch of leaves, guys. So yeah, probably fitting that to dig a hole in the ground. I hope my mom doesn't kill me. Y'all see that? Alright guys, we're not alone no more. I got my boy Roman here. It's Roman.
What's up, guys?
Y'all gonna know him a lot more. Just introduce yourself.
So guys, well, my name is Roman Driscoll. I'm dating his little sister, and I like to go fishing, and I play football for Purvis, and a lot of stuff.
Yeah. Shout out your YouTube channel.
Oh yeah, and make sure y'all go subscribe to my YouTube channel, Roman Driscoll. I do a lot of gaming stuff, and leave a like and subscribe.
Yeah. All right, so now we're just gonna basically just clean out all this, get all the grass and stuff out. Have you ever heard of doing this?
I heard of a worm farm before.
Worm farm? For fishing?
No, not fishing.
Yeah, it's been raining all day, guys. As y'all can see, clouds are it's just kind of like, yeah, today's just not been like a very sunny day. I'm just gonna finish doing this and I'll get back y'all whenever we're done. All right, Roman, go grab the bucket over there, the tote, whatever it's called. Oh, excuse that, it's a little messy. I really need to clean it. All right, yeah, now we're just gonna get all this soil and put it in there. All right, Roman, you got it?
Yeah.
You can put some of this stuff in there. I don't know, I guess I can like eat it. Yeah, guys, me and Roman, we're gonna go catch some worms. How many worms you gonna catch, Roman?
Probably about 5.
5?
They're gonna have little babies.
All right, Roman, you wanna come?
We done?
You wanna like pick that up, see if there's any worms under there?
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
You gonna have to watch out if you don't pick it up. How do you pick it up?
Compost bins or whatever they're called. Get some.
Oh, that could be one of those concrete blocks.
Yeah, we can move that real quick and see if there's any. Yeah, use the shovel, or you can use your hand. Turtles by
Let's get in.
not wearing shoes because I always saving the sea turtles some. Let's see. I'm gonna go on the other side real quick. Yes. I haven't really messed with these, so I planted those a few weeks ago. See a worm?
No. Did you get your worms last time? From in here?
From out of these. Look
Get
at
one.
him. Look how pretty he is. Gotta grab him. Alright.
I'll go put them in there.
You gonna go put him in there?
And hold this.
Alright, Roman.
By the way.
Going into the mysterious forest. The wild banshee. And Roman.
Like hard.
Yeah. there's so many briars in here. Never mind, he found his new. He's hugging the tree.
Oh, that's some good food.
He's roaming. Alright, yeah, Roman's gonna put his hand in the mysterious water field use.
Look at all these tadpoles.
Tadpoles? Where? That's not tadpoles, Roman. That would be mosquitoes. Why? Okay, now y'all definitely need to like and subscribe.
Oh, are you sure they're mosquitoes?
Yeah, but they ain't gonna hurt you. They're just like baby mosquitoes.
We gotta burn this bucket.
Huh? Guys, me and Roman, we could not find no more worms. Well, what's the plan now, Roman?
We can go to Walmart and buy some worms and say that we found them.
That gives me an idea. You know those hey, you know those like colored worms at Walmart? Like they're like green?
Like the fake worms?
No, they're not fake. They're real. They're like dyed. I don't really know. I had to show you one day. We'll go to Walmart. But like, that gives me an idea. Like, what if we could like make those?
If they're dead, how will we make them?
No, they're not dead. They're alive. There's green. I think they're like green and blue. Or green and red. I can't remember. Green, blue. I think they're just green, blue, and red. I'm not quite sure. But yeah, we'll get some of those one day. We can see. Weird, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it's probably gonna be like neat.
Show up to like ponds and stuff with some green worms.
Do you around for them?
No, we don't got to. We'd let him get used to his natural habitat. Or his new habitat. Not natural, but his new habitat. And
Oh, it's so foggy.
so foggy.
Look on the side.
Yeah. You want to help us, Chloe, find worms? Alright, we're just going to go find some worms somewhere. I don't really know where yet. But no, we're not going to buy them. They're going to be all natural worms.
Totally.
Yeah, totally all natural. All natural, bro. But yeah.
One pull up for one like.
Strong boy.
There you go.
Alright guys, now me and Roman we're making holes in here for oxygen. For
Damn.
the worms and possibly crickets. We actually ended up catching a good bit of worms.
Go ahead, buddy. Try to get that out. Thank you.
Like that.
Like an X.
Yeah. Okay, I'm kind of messing it up.
Looks like a T.
Okay, it's
Shoot me
not
like-
perfect, okay? Okay, we're gonna clean this off because it got quite dirty.
Okay, I got this.
But as y'all can see, we got a lot of holes. They don't do that. Okay, we got our rainwater.
Drink some.
Okay, yeah, that's been sitting there for a while. Was it good?
It tastes like regular water.
Regular water? Okay, good.
That's good for him.
Alright, but yeah, now
You gotta try it for the worms.
I'm gonna take this and just kind of like pour it over our worms here. Yeah, see I'm moving. Kind of chop those up some, but I feel like part of them,
Matt did it.
part of them is still alive though. I just feel like it. Okay, I don't know if that's too much water or not.
Probably like stir it around.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Roman. Here, I'll have more water. Straight.
Probably need some more.
Oh, there was a monster right there. I think that should be good.
There's a monster right here, guys. See that monster? See
There
that
was
monster,
more.
guys? Look at that beautiful monster.
Beautiful.
It's gonna be some good bait right there, buddy.
Perfect bait. I think this would be wet enough though.
I think I killed him.
Think it's good enough?
He's not moving, Matt. Okay, he's alive.
Alright guys. So now we're gonna clean off the lid since it got dirty. And yeah. Roman, can you do one? So you can get like 10 likes?
No.
No, can't get 10 likes.
First time I did it, like, there went like here.
Ooh, I almost fell.
Go with me.
Baby. Oh.
But oh yeah, now we're just gonna put the lid back on there. And we'll go find, I don't know, we may do something else. I don't really know.
Today would be a great day to go fishing, huh?
Yeah, except it's
A little bit too
not a
windy.
great day.
Just the air. Let me taste it.
No. You're wrong.
I'm gonna say about 2%. 2 wind. Yeah. 2 miles an hour wind.
2 mile per hour wind.
How you supposed to work that?
You put the feel on your finger when it's cold, when it's wet.
Like, I understand that, but like, that's not even
Some
accurate.
wilderness skills with Roman.
You learn from a military dad.
Yeah. You got this. That's 10.
I can't do it with dirt.
10. Okay, guys. Me and my crew. My film girl. The wilderness
Country
expert.
boy, bro.
No, the wilderness expert. And
The saddest
YouTuber.
king.
Yeah. We have completed the worm farm. Kinda, almost. I'm sure this does plenty to do on it. Y'all just leave a comment down in the comment section on what y'all think we should do with it. What we should do to improve. Double shout out. I think we thought that.
Aw, it's from Roman Driscoll.
Okay.
Leave a like and subscribe. Because if y'all listen to my videos.
Okay. Enough of that. Okay. So yeah, we're just gonna put the lid back on there, keep all the wild critters up.
Oh, move your head.
Oh,
Oh, it's a wild card. Oh my god.
Okay. Yeah, guys, we're all done with this now. I don't know. We may just go film some random stuff. There's dirt on her face.
Duh, there's dirt on your face.
Duh, there's dirt on your face.
Y'all are mean.
Duh, y'all are mean.
Duh, y'all are mean.
Y'all are mean.
Oh, it's on my neck.
Grab hag! Whee! Oh, what's up?
Every time I load a video, I guess I'll do I'll update on my worms.
Go first.
All right, y'all give some inspiration on all listeners and viewers, not listeners, the viewers.
Like,
Some inspiration.
About
and knowledge.
anything?
Yeah, about anything.
you cannot give up no matter what. That's awkward. And, don't let people change you.
All right, Roman, your turn.
Okay. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, because this is going to be the best YouTube channel ever. And
Elba.
ever. And this YouTube already has the positivity in its bloods. When you go fishing, you need to have that fish positivity and catch all these worms and catch the biggest fishy ever.
Yeah, y'all heard it here. All right. I'll see y'all next time.